Welcome, and thanks for watching our Fortinet quick tutorial videos. In this video, we will utilize FortiWeb automation features to receive reminders about expired SSL certificates and promptly update them. This helps prevent potential security issues and maintain customer trust by ensuring your SSL certificates are always up to date. For this scenario, our goal is to make sure administrators are notified in advance when SSL certificates are about to expire. We will set trigger detections and actions using automation stitches within the given scenario. To deploy SSL certificate on FortiWeb, you can navigate to the System Admin and Certificates. Follow instructions on the video, depending on what type of certificate that you will deploy. Set a expire check time on the CLI by typing the following command. Next step is create Microsoft notification actions within the Security Fabric automation and enter the notification name, URL, message type text, or JSON message type and the message. Create a Jira action if you wish, same location as the previous notification settings, and follow the video. Now let's create a stitch by going to Security Fabric Automation. To test the configuration is working, let's run a few tests to make sure it works. Finally, to update SSL certificate, go to System Admin Certificates. Upload and configure. Thanks for watching the video.